Good morning, guys. I wanted to get on here and just share what I had planned for you guys this week. I'm posting links. It's a Google Side link for you to go in and listen to Christmas stories, and it's like a Christmas story bookshelf. And then there's also Christmas directed drawings that you can get on to do. Once you finish each story, after you listen to it, you can go on to Renaissance and take the AR test. I've included the information on how to get on Renaissance on this dojo message that this video is attached to. If you have any questions, you can message me, of course, but I would love for you to go on there and listen to different Christmas stories and do some of the cute little Christmas directed drawings. I know y'all love drawing, so you get on there and do one of the directed drawings after you finish each book. For what you can be doing at home to practice is just getting on Lexia and for 30 minutes a day and getting on Dreambox for 30 minutes a day and working in your path. If you need any help, just send me a dojo, get your parents to send me a dojo message, or if you have any questions. But I'm going to be posting all that information with this video. And I think that's it. So I really hope you just enjoy your videos, you enjoy your week, and have a great Christmas. I'll be sending out cute little videos just to let you know that I'm thinking about you this week. Because I already miss you guys and it's already Monday. So that's it. So if you need anything, just send me a message. Bye, guys.